Scott Fresner with t-bizTV. I'm in beautiful Mexico City at FESPA Mexico City, and I'm with my longtime friend Paul Baracki.
Hi Scott, how are you doing today?
Now, where did I meet you from? I'm doing good, by the way. SPSI?
Oh, SPSI.
Okay.
Originally with the Kornit project back in 2004.
Now, is it kornit or kornet?
Kornit is a proper pronunciation.
We always called it kornet for so many years, and finally people are saying, no, it's kornit.
It is Kornit, you are right.
And what does kornit stand for? Do we know?
It is a long story behind that name. And
we haven't got time for that.
We don't have time for that.
Now, your machine is printing right now.
Absolutely. Yep.
This is the t-biz.
This is the t-biz, our newest addition to the Kornit line.
And you're shipping these.
Yes, we are. This model is now for sale, and we are starting to take orders and ship immediately.
Now, this pre-treats, prints the white, prints the colors, kind of one pass.
That's correct. It's a completely contained system where everything from the application, the pre-treatment, also we've added a doctor blade to flatten the pre-treatment before printing and the printing cycle with white and color in a single pass.
I love that. I wonder what you're doing to flatten it, because that was what we always found was the secret, was flatten the pre-treat. I didn't know you were doing that.
Well, and everybody's been asking that. The more the garment manufacturers have been adding additional combing to make the fabrics more gentle against the skin, the fibers want to flow through the pre-treatment. So now we're actually flattening them right before the print cycle to keep the fibers from coming through the ink and ruining a digital print.
I love that. Now, I noticed you're using the dryer here.
Yes, this is something new that Hicks is coming up with for...
I don't want to say Hicks if you were branding it. I knew it was the Hicks dryer, but I wasn't sure if you were branding it or not. Or...
No, we're not. No. So this is just the a trend in a lower cost cabinet dryer to so people who have a smaller investment do not have to invest in a large conveyor style dryer. And the compact floor space makes it a very nice system to put into a storefront, a kiosk environment, or just a smaller operation.
I love it. Can you? I know you're cooking a shirt now. Can you open the door? So what's the time in there?
It's really depending on the type of fabric that we're printing on there. These will cure anywhere from 4 to 5 minutes.
Really? Okay, cool. Now, what's the print time for this going to be, for this print?
Well, we're going. This print time on here should be right around 2 minutes. On a full seam like a plus white, we will do about 30 shirts an hour.
Really? That's excellent. So, how's it going in Mexico City?
Very nice. The people have received this machine with total enthusiasm. They like the format. It's smaller. It's more compatible to their business models right here, right now, and FESPA has been a fantastic show for us.
This has been the busiest show in general I've seen in years. I don't know, maybe, but have you ever seen the aisles packed like this?
Absolutely. I've been to other trade shows where the aisles are empty at the end of the show, and we're working well beyond closing hours now, just answering questions.
Unlike the U.S. shows where they go, the show's over, leave the hall, these shows, they don't know when to end it.
No, that's right. We have to wait till they turn the lights off to get out of here.
They were telling us they turned the lights off finally last night about 8:30 or so after the show. Of course, these are the weird hours too. We're used to the American shows. It's 10 to 5. Here it's noon to 8. Yeah.
So no, we're enjoying it. The crowd has been great. The questions, the level of questions, the education of the clientele down here is surprisingly much more informed than I would have imagined.
Yeah. Now this is your first time showing it here,
yes,
the t-biz.
Yes.
Have you shown the other machines here before?
A while back we had the 932 machine here, but where it really caught the interest of some of the larger companies, the t-biz is still a better fit price-wise to the more of the common screen printers or garment decorators.
Now this is about 60,000 US. Where'd you end up with price-wise?
The machine is 55,900 US.
Okay. All right. Now you're with DT Tech as your dealer here.
That is correct. DT Tech is our dealer. They have great experience with other wide format digital equipment, and this makes a very nice companionship, if you will, with them, their experience, but now branching out farther into the textile decorating.
So they sell digital, which, as we both know, that's your best distributor, because the screen print guys don't get it. The digital guys get it.
They get it very, very well. They totally understand what we're doing here.
Yeah. So let's take a look at the print. Wow, that's amazing. I'm actually blown away. All right, we are at FESPA in Mexico City, 2010, and I'll see you then, I don't know, FESPA Hamburger, SGIA, right?
SGIA, we'll see you again.
All right, Scott Fresner with Paul Baracki talking to you from Mexico City. Let's go get some tequilas and smoke some cigars, okay?
I'm on that.
We can't get any women because my wife is running the camera here, so,
All right.
you know.
I got the cigars.
Okay, good deal.
Nice.
Bye-bye.